Dental implants are now the most popular method of replacing teeth that are missing, offering the most durable and natural alternative to dentures or bridges. The cost for implants for dental purposes can be a bit different according to where you're in. In this clip, we'll look at the cost of dental implants across Europe as well as Turkey so that you can make a well-informed decision regarding which location to get the procedure carried out. Europe is renowned for its excellent health system, but it's also an expensive price. Implants in dental clinics across Germany, the UK, Germany, and France are priced from €1,000 to €3,000 per implant. It is easy to be increased if you have many implants. This can make it an expensive option for a lot of patients. In contrast, Turkey has been gaining an image as a top place for low-cost dental implants. Cost of dental implants in Turkey are significantly less expensive compared to Europe, as prices vary between €500 to €1,500 per implant. This means that it makes Turkey an appealing choice for those who want to reduce costs but not compromising the quality of their. One of the major reasons for the less expensive costs of dental implants in Turkey is the low price of living and the labor within Turkey. It allows dentists to give competitive rates while maintaining the high level of service. Furthermore, a lot of dentists within Turkey come with the latest technology and highly educated staff to ensure the highest quality of treatment for patients with a fraction of expense. Another reason to get dental implants within Turkey is the possibility to integrate your dental procedure and a restful vacation. Turkey is famous for its gorgeous landscapes with a rich past and friendly hospitality. These make the country a sought-after tourist destination. Numerous dental clinics within Turkey offer packages that comprise airport transfers, lodging, accommodations, and tour packages, allowing clients to relax and enjoy their procedure. When deciding where to obtain dental implants, it's essential to take into consideration not just the expense, but also the high quality of treatment and knowledge from the dentists. Clinics that are located in Turkey usually possess international accreditations and certificates to ensure they meet high standards for hygiene and safety. The majority of dentists located in Turkey are also fluent in English proficiently, making it simple for foreign patients to convey their concerns and needs. Worries. Although Europe might provide top-quality healthcare while it is a great place to get healthcare, the price of dental implants is costly for some patients. Turkey provides a more affordable alternative that does not compromise high quality, which makes it a viable choice for people who want to lower the cost of dentistry. Thanks to its reasonable rates, excellent care, as well as beautiful scenery, Turkey is quickly becoming an ideal choice for tourists to the dental field. Take a look at your options by comparing the cost of dental implants across Europe as well as Turkey for the best choice for your requirements.